Hi all, today's lesson is about inequalities in one triangle. Watch the tutorial about inequalities in one triangle on your Pearson Realist online account. Now go through your books, page number 324 to page number 331. Answer the given questions. Look at this given diagram. Can you make a triangle from this data? Here AC is 4, BD is 10 and AB is 12. What do you think? Yes, we can make a triangle. We will connect D and C. Then you will get a triangle ABC like this. Well, can you make a triangle from this given diagram? Let's check. Here the side is AC and this side is 5. AC is 4 and DB is 5. If you are trying to join this like this, or if you are trying to connect the CD, is it possible? No. Why? The sum of this 4 and 5 is 9 is less than the third side 12. So we can conclude the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. In this figure, look at that. A plus B is greater than C, and A plus C should be greater than B, and B plus C should be greater than A. Here, how we will find the range of the third side? Example, given a triangle with the side length of 3 and 7, find the range of possible values for the third side. Let x be the length of the third side of the triangle. Here CB is the third side. If you are considering x is the length of the third side, then what would be the maximum value? And what will be the minimum value? Yeah, we can say that 4 less than x less than 10. That means x is between 4 and 10. Well, given the length of two sides of a triangle, since the third side cannot be larger than the other two added together, we find maximum value by adding the two sides. Since the third side and smallest side given cannot be larger than the other side, we find the minimum value by subtracting the two sides. Difference less than third side less than sum. In a triangle, the smallest angle is opposite the smallest side. The largest angle is opposite to the largest side. The smallest side is opposite the smallest angle. The largest side is opposite the largest angle. So, the theorem states that if one angle of a triangle is larger than a second angle, then the side opposite the first angle is larger than the side opposite the second angle. Along with this, the next theorem states if one side of a triangle is larger than a second side, then the angle opposite the first side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. Now, let's look at the corollary 1. It says that the perpendicular segment from a point to a line is the shortest segment from the point to the line. Here, this is the shortest segment, and this side is longer because it is opposite the largest angle. Corollary number 2 states that the perpendicular segment from a point to a plane is the shortest segment from the point to the plane. This is the shortest segment, and this side is longer because it is opposite the largest angle.